Hey Embroidery Legacy family! Today we're going to spread some holiday cheer with a fun project, a joy banner. So this cute banner is perfect for adding a festive touch to your home and celebrating the season. It's quick and easy and it'll brighten up any space. So let's grab our supplies and start making this joyful holiday decoration together. Supplies you'll need include a 5x7 hoop, 6 pieces of fabric that will be 6 by 8 inches, 3 pieces of batting, which will be 6 by 8 inches, 3 pieces of letter fabric, which will be 4 by 4 inches, water-soluble stabilizer, some double curved scissors, masking tape, ribbon, and hot glue. Step 1. Hoop your water-soluble stabilizer into your 5x7 hoop. Step 2. Now place your hoop into your machine and run the placement stitch on the stabilizer. Step 3. Remove the hoop from the machine and place the batting down on the hoop and secure it with masking tape. Step 4. Stitch the tack down line, securing the batting in place. Remove your hoop and cut excess batting from around the tack down line. Step 5. You're going to want to place the front fabric over the batting and secure it with masking tape. Return the hoop to the machine and run the tack down stitch over fabric as well as the placement line for the letter. Make sure you don't trim the fabric after the tack down stitch has been sewn. Step 6. Remove the hoop from the machine and place the letter fabric over the placement line and secure it with tape. Step 7. Stitch the tack down line for the letter. Once the tack down line has completed, remove the hoop from the machine and carefully cut away the excess fabric from around the letter. Step 8. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch out all the details in that letter. Step 9. Once all the details have been stitched, remove the hoop and flip it over onto your workstation. Using your masking tape, secure the back fabric over the placement line on the back and return it to your machine. Step 10. Stitch the tack down line around the whole design. Once it's completed, you can now remove the hoop and carefully cut away all the excess fabric from around the design, both the front and the back. Step 11. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch out the satin stitch around the border as well as the satin eyelets at the top and bottom of the design. Step 12. Remove the hoop from the machine and the design from the hoop. Now carefully cut off all of the excess stabilizer from around the design and make sure to leave about 1 to 2 millimeters of stabilizer around the design so that you don't cut into the satin stitch. Step 13. Once you have cut away all the stabilizer, using a warm bowl of water and your fingers, you can carefully remove all the rest of the stabilizer from around the design. Step 14. Repeat these steps for the other 2 letters in your joy banner. Step 15. Once you have all 3 letters completed, it's time to put it all together. So first, you'll want to cut the holes out of the eyelets. And to do so, it's totally up to you. You can use a leather hole punch, you can use a crocodile, whatever's the easiest way for you to remove the fabric. Step 16. Now that you have the eyelets cut out, you're going to cut 4 pieces of ribbon to tie the design together. So simply thread the ribbon through each one of the eyelets and tie them off on the back of the design. For added security, you can also use a hot glue gun to hold the ribbon in place. And there you have it, our beautiful joy banner. It's ready to fill your home with happiness and the holiday spirit. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as we did. And if you love this tutorial, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more festive embroidery projects. Until next time, happy stitching!